All right, all right. We're going to talk about how to make bar soap last longer. Okay? You got a nice bar soap such as this, fellas and ladies. This is a whiskey toast by Bath and Body. Guys, if you're wanting a bar soap that smells fantastic, I recommend this. Go smell some for yourself. Bath and Body. I love this one. But anyway, you got a nice bar soap. You want it to last longer. Okay, first thing you got to do is get you the right kind of soap dish. You can see this type, okay, porcelain, whatever you want to call it, ceramic. It's got these little ridges, but I mean, that's not good enough. A flat soap dish or even one like this is a no-no. You take your bar, you put it in there, you don't have enough space, the water's going to collect in here. You got these tiny little ridges. Water is going to collect underneath your bar, and it's going to keep the bottom of that bar mushy. It's just not going to dry good. Okay? So then you got one such as this. This is better. This is much better. Drain holes, but see, you got a little bit of a gap where the water can escape. But here's the problem: you set it down flat. Okay, you sit it down flat, kind of hard for the water to escape out of them holes and escape out. So I'm going to show you how to remedy that. So, nice bar. If you have a great big bar of soap, one thing you can do to make it last even longer, cut that sucker in half. You're not going to use it all at once, right? So if you want to cut your bars in half, use a section at a time, a piece at a time. You can do that. That'll help it last longer too. So as far as a good soap dish, one that's going to drain all of your water out, I'm going to show you what I found recently that works awesome. Okay, so I think it was Amazon. Got my just Dial antibacterial soap there. These are made out of silicone. You can see how they're angled, and those slots run all the way through. So air can get underneath, help dry the underside of the bar. And you can see how the bar, you just reach out and grab it, right? Just reach out and grab it. And that water rolls out of the front, kind of like a waterfall type of effect. Boom. Water rolls out of these channels right into my sink. A lot of your soap dishes, they drain out of the sides. Ooh, train a coming. But anyway, I like these. Your water can drip out of these channels, out of the front and away from the bar. These are really cool, and they're pretty cheap. And they're made out of silicone, so you lay it flat. You know, if you want to take your bar out, wash it out from time to time, get all the excess soap and out of there, you can do that. Got me another one over here. This is that same bar I mentioned earlier. Smells really good. Yep. These work really well. So get you some of these or something similar. Just don't get you a soap dish where the bar just lies in it flat and the water can't escape. Something like these work really, really well. Really liking them. Make them last a whole lot longer, ladies and gentlemen. This is just an old sink back here, utility room in an old home. These work really well. Forget what they're called, waterfall soap dish, something along those lines, but they're made out of soft silicone. Kind of you reach out and just grab it. They sit up at an angle, which dries this top side really good. It's open to the air. These channels go all the way through to the back. So, it gets air, so the underside gets drier quicker. The main thing is it's not lying flat in a dish, turning into mush because of the water, right? So, and again, you got a great big bar of soap, you know, cut that sucker in half. Take your other half, maybe put it in a Ziploc or something, put it back in the box that it came in. Use that second half when you finish up with the first half. That's how you can make them last longer. All right. Just a little tip from the Righteous Redneck on YouTube. All right. If you guys aren't already subscribed, I'd appreciate it if you might consider it. And next time I think of something useful, I'll get back on here and make a video about it. All right, you guys take it easy. Bye.